and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, triple step with the Botafogo, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2. Practice this little line dance West Coast swing choreography we did today. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, side pass with a tuck, raise that hand on 3, 3 and 4, she does a little walk around. Once she recognizes that, she can bounce away on 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, triple step. We then showed you can keep both hands, 1, 2, 3 and 4 to the hip. We can then free spin her just by bringing the karate chop towards you, fingertips in her hand. I don't touch her with my fingertips. I touch her hand, she touches her. Triple step, triple step. We then showed you can do that same thing, keeping the left hand, triple step, triple step, triple step. Finally, we showed you can 1, 2, away and cross. She delays, she then turns back towards me as we cross back and forth across the slot like an hourglass, collecting and walking, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whole thing looks like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Triple step with the Botafogo. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Grab a guy, grab a girl, let's go, and we got a song to practice. You can mix these moves in any order. Try it to the hip, with and without the spins. Let's go.